Hello there. Sunday was a very warm day. Monday could be even hotter across some parts of the country. Further north, though, there's the chance of some heavy rain, frequent thunder and lightning, and some large hail sweeping eastwards through the morning. Further south, likely to stay dry, and it's going to be particularly hot and humid in this area. And in the afternoon, the temperature could reach 35 degrees in Cambridgeshire, making it easily the hottest day of the year so far. The overnight rain soon clears away from Northern Ireland and we should see a sunny day here. We've got the heavy rain and thunderstorms sweeping eastwards on Monday morning across Scotland and perhaps northern England, but should clear away in the afternoon. Further south, the risk of a thunderstorm is much lower. There'll be a lot more sunshine here, and through the Midlands and eastern England, temperatures in many places 30 degrees plus, whereas further west and further north, temperatures are going to be a lot lower, and it will feel fresher, particularly after that rain clears. The heat has come up very quickly in this temperature spike from Spain and from France, but all that heat is going to get pushed eastwards across Europe, and the whole of Western Europe will see temperatures dropping over the week ahead as we see Atlantic winds coming in. And those arrive in western parts of the UK on Tuesday, bringing with it some outbreaks of rain, the winds picking up as well, whereas further east through the Midlands and eastern England, it looks like it's going to be dry again. And it's going to be a very warm day, not quite as hot or as humid, but still we've got temperatures reaching 28 degrees. What's left of that cloud and rain sinks across England and Wales overnight and is probably just an area of cloud in the southeast on Wednesday. Even that will break up and there'll be some sunshine elsewhere before it turns windier and cloudier in the northwest by the end of the day. We still could reach the mid-20s. They're still pretty warm in the southeast on Wednesday. But this is the weather system bringing some wetter, windier weather into the northwest overnight. Then that weather front sinks its way southwards on Thursday. Following the rain in Scotland and Northern Ireland, we'll get some sunshine. There'll be a few showers in the northwest. And then this rain moves down into England and Wales, but there may not be much rain at all in the eastern side of England. It could be dry until evening in the southeast and still warm here. Temperatures into the mid-20s. Cooler, obviously, elsewhere. Once that rain does finally arrive across England and Wales in the south, it'll linger overnight and into Friday before clearing away in the afternoon. Sunshine then follows. We've got a few showers continuing in the northwest of Scotland, where temperatures are only going to be 17 in Glasgow. We could be 23 in the southeast of England. That's a change from what we're going to start the week with that noisy start to the week. Thunder and lightning, but also that heat and humidity. The rest of the week, though, we'll see the temperatures gradually falling away and it's looking quite unsettled. What about the outlook? Well, there is the Azores high here, which occasionally will push its way into some southern parts of the UK. But broadly, we've got the winds coming in from the Atlantic, quite strong winds across the northern half of the UK, where you're closer to area of low pressure. So it's northern areas that are going to see most of the rain for the outlook. Can't rule out some rain further south. Some models are not quite as ridgy and not quite as dry. But what we're not going to see is that heat and humidity returning. Goodbye.